Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken macaroni salad. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for assembly. Next, cook your macaroni to a perfect al dente texture, which is crucial for a great salad. Then, prepare your chicken by cooking and shredding it into small, manageable pieces. Finally, mix up a creamy, flavorful dressing that will bring all these wonderful components together for a delightful dish. Let's get started with preparing our core ingredients. Begin by boiling 2 cups of elbow macaroni until it's perfectly al dente, then drain and rinse it. Next, cook and shred about 1.5 pounds of chicken breast into small, uniform pieces. Don't forget to dice half a cup of crisp celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. Finally, chop 2 hard-boiled eggs to add a lovely texture and richness. Now, let's create the heart of our salad, the creamy dressing. In a large bowl, combine 1.5 cups of your favorite mayonnaise. Add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar to give it a nice tang. Stir in 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt to balance the flavors. Finish by mixing in half a teaspoon of black pepper for a subtle kick. Whisk everything until it's smooth and well combined. It's time to bring everything together. In a very large bowl, gently combine your cooked macaroni, shredded chicken, diced vegetables, and chopped eggs. Pour the creamy dressing you just made over all the ingredients. Mix everything thoroughly but carefully, ensuring every piece is coated. For the best flavor, chill the salad for at least 30 minutes before serving. Garnish with fresh parsley for a beautiful presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.